Mm-hmm. Huh. See if it's focused. Well.
Sit down. What present is that for?
Well, Daddy, are you figuring that out?
No, it's going right now.
I have a couple little things for you.
Can I open it?
Sure.
Is it mine?
Yeah, this has to be opened first though. So come over here,
Why
sit
does
down.
that have to be open?
This was the funniest movie she'd ever seen. And like me, she retains a fondness for it after all these years.
You can find Conehead and Paul in the movie section under movie collections and
I want to see
Hamilton Picks.
All right. Here's a little something. But Mommy and Daddy, check it out.
I can't see it. I don't want to look at it.
Okay, look at it. Hold it up.
It's too little. Mom,
Yeah.
why'd you do that?
Isn't that going to fit you?
No, look at it.
Well, who could that fit?
Look at it.
Oh no.
Mom.
I think we got the wrong size, Daddy.
Mom.
Well, guess what? We might have another Blackhawks fan in the house.
Who?
Don't know. What do you think?
Mario.
For Molly? You think?
Finley.
For Finley! I don't know.
Alex.
I don't think so.
Daddy.
No, but Mommy and Daddy have some news to tell you.
What?
Do you want to say, Daddy?
Go ahead. You're doing fine.
You are gonna be a big brother.
Yeah, what?
Mommy's having a baby.
Yay! That was a big
You've been wondering, right?
Yeah.
Mommy has a baby in her belly.
Finally.
Finally!
It's big now.
I know, I'm looking a little chubby, huh? Mommy has a baby in her belly. Mommy went to the doctor today, and we found out, well, what could it be? It could be either a baby could be a what?
Boy or
A
a
boy or a
girl?
girl.
We know.
What do you
Okay,
do? You want to guess? Wait, no, you have to wait. Come over here. You want to guess?
You just said a baby brother.
Did I say that?
Yes.
I didn't say baby brother.
Yeah, you did.
But guess what?
What?
You're going to have a baby brother.
I know. You just told me.
No, I didn't.
Yes,
I didn't say it. I said it could be a boy or a girl.
I know.
What do you think?
That's a boy.
Or look at Daddy. What do you think? Tell me what you think.
Boy?
It's going to be a boy. You're going to have a little brother. And then your little brother could wear this.
Yay.
Wouldn't that be cool? Are you excited?
Yes.
Is it awesome?
Yes.
Yeah. Can I hug? Mommy's gonna cry. What do you think? Will that be fun?
Yes.
I think that's gonna be awesome, huh? It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Finally.
All right, well you can open that, I guess. That's also for you.